charges burst out and about, traveling villages and towns, finding friends old and new, sharing videos with you.
Good morning folks, welcome back to the channel. My name's John. Carol's not with me at the moment. She's out doing her daily constitutional around the village. Sorry, we've lost all our video from last weekend. I've been trying this week to restore it, but it's been no joy. Like an idiot, I didn't test the SD card that we brought. It's Kodak. I expected it to be as good as they usually are, but I didn't test it. Usually what I do with any SD cards after losing the first lot of footage was to fill it up with video or with audio files and then start playing them back, and if they play back, then you know the card's good. A lot of these fake cards or corrupt cards, you will put them in, you will video, it says it's recording, it says it's saved, but when you come to open it, it's nothing there. It's just the file name, and this is what's happened. We have shared a few little bits of the weekend, what we took on our phones, but all the footage on this camera is gone, which is a shame. We thought it might have been the camera because it's a brand new camera that we hadn't used, but we've tested it and the camera's great. As obvious, I'm talking on it now. So that's where we are. So I do apologise if you were expecting a video for us. Life happens, doesn't it? You know, we all get kicked in the nuts occasionally when we don't want it. So that's where we are. A bit later on this week I will be putting out a video, so it's to do with an alternative to these water purifiers that's being reviewed a lot on YouTube. A friend of ours, Steve and Anne, they did one. It was on the, if I remember the name of it right, it was the ITEL water purifying system. That's Gators on Tour, if you want to watch their video. I'm not mocking the system. The system is good, it's ideal, but there are drawbacks, and one of the drawbacks is that they have to be charged up if you're not on mains. They will only do 9 gallons of water on the people walking by the campfire. They only do 9 gallons of water per charge, and once they're flat, you've got to find a way of charging them again. They weigh on average around the 6 kilo mark, plus you've got to carry extra chemicals in case they run out when you need them. The system we use is an old system. When we first started, we used inline water filters, and I was changing them all the time because every time you turn the tap on, you're running water through them and the life of them starts draining away. The system we brought the first one ages ago, and it's still working. So I won't tell you what it is. You'll have to like, subscribe and tick on the notification button so you get a little bell sign every time we upload. I will be putting that out maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, so if you're interested, stick with us. And all I can say is that if you agree with me that it works just as well, then it could save you a shed load of money, and we all like to save money. So once again, apologies for not sharing the videos from last weekend. We can't share something we ain't got. So take care folks, and I'll catch you in the next video. All the best and happy travelling to the lot of you. Take care. Bye bye.